Hi friends, myself Suresh Parmar, Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Class 4, Subject Maths, Unit number 1, Building with Bricks. Topics covered: exercises. Worksheet for chapter number 1. In the previous two videos, we already learned about the chapter number 1, Building with Bricks, shapes, different kinds of patterns like wall pattern, jali pattern, Jaroka pattern, net pattern, arc pattern, etc. So with the help of first and second video, you have to give the answer of the following worksheet. Now my first worksheet is: write the name of the shapes given below. In this slide, I will take here 4 different shapes. So you already know about the shapes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So please give me the answer of following shape. Okay. Now my first shape is a small box. It has a name. Okay. So what is the name of this shape? Tell me. Which shape is this? The first one. This is the first shape. Okay. Tell me the name of this shape. Yes, very good. Okay, square. Very good. Now tell me the spelling of square. Yes, very good. S Q U A R E. Very good. So this is a spelling of square. S Q U A R E. Okay. Now my next shape is second. My second shape is this. Okay. Now which shape is this? Yes. Very good. Because this is a hexagon. What? Hexagon. So the spelling of hexagon is very good. H E X A G O N. Hexagon, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. That's why this shape is hexagon. Understood? Yes. Now my third shape is, which shape is this? Yes, it's look like a brick. Okay. So what is the shape of a brick? Yes, very good. So what is the spelling of cuboid? Yes, C U B O I D. The spelling of cuboid is C U B O I D. Now my last shape is, this is look like an egg. Okay, so we already learn about it. The example of egg. In which shape we include the example of an egg? What? Yes, oval. Very good. Okay, now tell me the spelling of oval. Very good. O V A L. O V A L. Oval. Understood? Okay. So now we take our second slide, second worksheet. Okay. Now our second worksheet is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I will take here 8 blanks. Okay. So give me the answer of the following blanks. First one, dice is an example of blank. Now here tell me which shape have dice. Which shape has the dice have? डाइस किस शेप में होता है? डाइस कौन से शेप में होता है? यस, वेरी गुड. सो वी राइट द आंसर हियर. C U B E, cube. Dice is an example of cube. Very good. Now my second blank is a rectangle has blank corners. A rectangle has blank corner. So we know the shape rectangle. Yes, tell me how many corners in a rectangle? Yes, very good. 4 corners. How many? A rectangle has 4 corners. An egg is an example of an blank. We learned this in a previous slide. Okay, in the shape, write the name of the shape में हमने ऑलरेडी इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया है. यस, एग का शेप कैसा होता है? किस शेप के जैसा? यस, वेरी गुड. सो वी राइट द आंसर O V A L, oval. Okay. Now here in this blank there are 3 blank is given, and the blank is a cuboid has blank faces, blank edges and blank vertices. Yes, in the previous video we already discussed about it. A cuboid has how many faces? Yes, 6 faces. How many? 6. Yes, 12 edges. And how many vertices? Yes, there are 8 vertices. Okay. Now the fifth number, an octagon has blank sides and blank corner. We know that octa means 8. Octa means 8. So octagon has 8 octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. Okay. A brick has blank shape. ब्रिक्स का कैसा शेप होता है? यू ऑलरेडी लर्न इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड. यस, Cuboid, very good. And the spelling of cuboid is Cuboid. Cuboid. Samosa and sandwich is an example of blank. समोसा और सैंडविच का शेप कैसा होता है? यस, triangular. So we write triangle, and the spelling of triangle is Triangle. Okay. Then my next blank is a pentagon has blank sides and blank corners. Penta means 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Understood? Yes. Now we take our next question. Match the following things with its shape. Okay, so there are 4 picture is given here: dice, moon, ice cream cone and brick. Okay, and here four shapes name is also given: cone, cuboid, cube and sphere. Now tell me, which shape is this? First one, yes, dice is an example of. Very good. So we match it with cube. Okay. Then my second picture is moon, the moon. Okay, or moon ka shape we know that it is in a circle, but the spelling of circle is not given in the answer. Okay, so we call it sphere because all circular things has a sphere shape. Okay, then this is ice cream cone. So the shape of the ice cream cone is also cone, C-O-N-E, cone. And the last one, the shape of a brick is cuboid. Understood? So this is our match the following exercise. Okay, now I will take here some question answer for you. So tell me the answer of the given question in one word. I will take here only six question. My first question is, how many corners are there in a square? So we know that the square shape, it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. So square has 4 corners. How many? ये पहला आंसर मैंने बताया, अब बाकी के आंसर आपको बताने हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वन आई विल already solve. So next 5 question is for you. Okay, now the second question, give 2 example of a rectangle. आपको रेक्टेंगल के 2 एग्जाम्पल बताने हैं. तो वी see in your around and find which thing has a rectangular shape and tell me. Yes, very good. So we write here textbook. What? Textbook. And second, yes, blackboard. Okay, Very good. Now my next question is, what is the shape of a brick? So we already discussed in the previous two slides. Okay, the shape of a brick is cuboid. Okay, and we know the spelling of cuboid, CUBOID. Fourth number, is there any side in a circle? क्या सर्कल में कोई साइड होती है? होती है सर्कल में साइड? यस, वेरी गुड. सो वी राइट नो फॉर इट. सर्कल में कोई भी साइड होती नहीं है. ओके, गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड. क्यूबॉइड का एक एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. तो क्यूबॉइड का शेप ब्रिक्स जैसा होता है. सो आई राइट हियर brick. Okay, you find some things around you in a cuboid shape and write their name in the blank. Okay, give one example of an oval. ओवल शेप का एक एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. तो एन एग का शेप ओवल जैसा होता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट साइड हैज सम पिक्चर, सम पैटर्न्स. ओके, सो राइट द नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ब्रिक पैटर्न. Now my first pattern is this. Is which pattern is this? Yes, it's look like a jali. Yes, very good. So it is jali pattern. Which pattern? Jali pattern. Very good. Now my next pattern is, it look like a wall. So we write wall pattern for it. Third number, my next one is, yes, it is in arc. Look at the arc. Okay, so it is an arc pattern. Which pattern is this? Arc pattern. Okay, now fourth number, which pattern is this? It looks like a small temple. Okay, so it is called Jharokha pattern. Which pattern? Jharokha pattern. JHAROKHA. Understood? My next pattern is fifth number. Which pattern is this? Fifth number. Yes, it is created on the wall. Yes, it is also a jari pattern. My last one is sixth number. Yes, it is wall pattern. Okay, understood? So these are the different types of brick pattern. Okay, Now I will take here word problems. We already learned this type of word problem in the second video. Okay, so the question and the solution is also given in this slide, and I will explain you the answer of the question. Okay, Raja went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The prices were also different for different types of brick. For example, first one, old bricks. Old bricks has rupees 12,000 for 1000 brick. Second, new bricks from Sarsa. It has rupees 2000 for 1000 brick. And new bricks from old, it has rupees 1500, means 1500 for 1000 brick. Okay, now here the first question is given for you. Raja decided to buy the new bricks from Sarsa. He bought 3000 brick. He bought 3000 bricks. So how much did he pay? राजा ने न्यू ब्रिक्स फ्रॉम सारसा से 3000 ब्रिक्स खरीदी, तो उसे कितने पे करने पड़ेंगे पैसे? यस, ओके, look at the answer given here. First we write the cost of 1000 new bricks from Sarsa. So we already know that the cost of new brick from Sarsa is rupees 2000. Okay, so first we find the cost of only one brick. Okay, so how to find the cost of one brick? So simply we divide the cost of a brick by total brick. Okay, total brick 1000 and the cost of 1000 brick is rupees 2000. So we divide the cost of brick with total bricks. Okay, so 1000 1 ja 1000 and 1000 2 ja 2000. 0 0 0 2 minus 2 also 0. Okay, so we get the answer 2. The cost of one brick is rupees 2. Now Raja want to buy 3000 bricks. Okay, so we multiply 3000 brick with 2 rupees. So we get the answer 6000 rupees. Understood? Because when we multiply 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6, then after put 3 3 0. Okay, so the cost of 3000 bricks is rupees 6000. Okay, now my second question is, find what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. अगर वो सिर्फ 500 ब्रिक्स लेना, ओल्ड ब्रिक्स लेना चाहे, तो उससे कितने पे करने होंगे? ओके, वी नो दैट cost of 1000 old brick is rupees 1200. So what is the cost of 500 bricks? Okay, we know that 500 bricks is a half of 1000. Okay, it is the half bricks of 1000 bricks. Okay, so we divide 1000 bricks by half, यानी कि 2. So we get the answer 500, यानी 500 bricks. So we also divide the total cost of 1000 old bricks 1200 by 2. So we get the answer 600 rupees. Okay, so we can say that the cost of 500 bricks is rupees 600. Understood? Yes, very good. Now my third question is, third one is, write in numbers 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So if you want to write 1 lakh, then first you arrange in a place value chart. This is the 1 place, 10th place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and lakh place. Put a 0, 0, 0 in a ones, 0 in a ones, 100, 10,000 0, 10,000 0, and 1. Okay, so we write 1 lakh in a number. Thank you.